Khadija? Let me see your hand. Let me see your nails. What is that? What did you put?
Ketchup.
But what is it called? What are you putting? What are you doing? What are you putting on? Huh? What are you putting on? Huh? Hey. What are you putting on, Mama?
Huh?
What did you put on your hand? What is that? Can I see it? Wow. What is that?
It's a ketchup.
It's ketchup.
This.
It's like nail polish. Okay, no more. You're making a mess now. Eat. Eat properly. No more, baby. Eat properly. Good girl.